So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a paracord hair clip. First off, you're going to need one of these hair clips that are available in different craft stores. You're going to need about 20 centimeters like a scrap, and you're going to need a little over 1 meter of more paracord. First off, you're gonna cut the scrap piece of paracord and just make an angle and a pointy end. Do the same on the other side. Then you're going to take these holes and pull your paracord through. I found that a nice pair of pliers helps with this. And as you can see, my piece of scrap paracord is way too big, so if you have some scrap lying around and it's longer than 20 centimeters, you can, with benefit, cut it down a bit, because there is going to be some waste here. You want to pull this very tight, because this is what you're going to be tying on. Then just melt it down here, so you won't be able to pull through here. And then just tighten up this a bit more. Don't worry about it being super tight, because there are going to be cord. You don't want it to be loose. There we go. And again the super melt. Like so. Then you're also going to need a couple of needles eventually. So to start it off, it's a bit tricky. You need to put under one of your ends like so. You want it to go almost to the middle. And they're gonna go under this. And you, with a bit of benefit, you will be able to push it up like so. And then it's time to mount the needles. This will be going under here, which means that this one goes over. It's a fairly simple, straightforward Cobra weave, as most of you will be able to recognize at once. So the one that goes under this strand always goes under, and the one who goes over always goes over. And then you want to tighten up as you go, because that might be a challenge later. As I said, this is a fairly straightforward technique. If you feel like it, once you're done, you can decorate it with some stitching. That'll make it really awesome. But since this will probably be worn by a soldier, stitching would make it look awful. Or at least not match the uniform. As you progress and get closer to the end, it will be harder and harder to get the cord under the center strand here. And this is why I appreciate these pointed needles that I found. So where do we go from here? This end is not looking very good. Well, I'm glad you're asking. I'm just going to remove this needle here, like so. And then I'm simply going to pretend that this core strand is still there and finish it up like so. Because all a Cobra weave is basically a series of box knots. So, there we have it. I'm just going to take my marlin spike here and snip, cinch, and that's not going to be marlin spike, but this certainly is. And snip, cinch, and then just add a bit of structure here so it doesn't look too bad, the melt. And there you have it, one finished hair clip. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thank you for watching. Now enjoy this video.